हेलो एवरीवन, आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ जो कि टॉपिक है हमारा करेंसी रिस्क मैनेजमेंट। तो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए प्लीज़, और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। जैसे ही मैं कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाएगा। और प्लीज़ मेरा वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करें। तो चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं वीडियो के साथ। करेंसी रिस्क मैनेजमेंट एंड करेंसी ऑप्शंस। व्हाट इज़ करेंसी रिस्क? करेंसी रिस्क commonly referred to as exchange rate risk arises from the change in one price of one currency in relation to another. Investors or companies that have assets or business operations across national borders are exposed to currency risk that may create unpredictable profits and losses. What is currency or currency risk? It is a form of financial risk that arises from the change in one price of currency against another. Whenever investors or companies have assets or business operations across national borders, they face currency risk or foreign exchange risk. For example, if you are a US investor, you have stocks in Canada, the return that you will realize is affected by both the change in the price of stock and the change in the value of the Canadian dollar against the US dollar. So, if you realize a 15% interest in your Canadian stock, but the Canadian dollar depreciates 15% against the US dollar, this will amount to no gain at all. Three types of currency risk: transaction exposure, translation exposure, and economic exposure. Transaction exposure arises when outstanding accounts receivables or payables are denominated in foreign currency. Translation exposure results financial statements denominated in a foreign currency are translated into the functional currency of the parent as part of consolidating internal financial results. Economic exposure results from exchange rate fluctuations affecting the price of products, the cost of inputs, and the value of foreign investments. Currency risk management. For international businesses with significant volumes of cross-border transactions, the management of currency is an essential task for the Treasury Department. Given that they have substantial costs and or revenues in foreign currencies, these companies are exposed to serious setbacks if the exchange rate move against them. Currency risk management techniques: invoice in home or domestic currency or denomination. According to this technique, a company dealing in international transactions must make all its payments in its domestic currency and must have the policy of accepting only domestic currencies from the debtors. Leading and lagging. In case the importer of the assets in an international transaction can see that the currency in which payment is to be made to the exporter is likely to depreciate in future, he might try to lag the payment and shift it further. Matching. A company that regularly deals in foreign transactions is an active member in international trade markets, might have payments to be made and incomes to be received in the same currency. In such a situation, payments and incomes can be matched and risk assumed for only the unmatched amount in the forex market. It is an effective internal forex management technique. Internal, external techniques, forward contracts and future contract. Forward contract. It primarily is a contract where currency or asset can be bought or sold at a predetermined date at a predetermined rate in future. The rate for the transaction is decided upon today, known as forward rate, but the transaction takes place at a future date. Future contracts. These are standardized over the counter trade transactions and contracts which can be customized according to the respective needs of the parties involved in business. The exchange rate for currencies is fixed for trade at some future date. Currency option. A currency option, also known as forex option, is a contract that gives the buyer the right but not the obligation to buy or sell a certain currency at a specified exchange rate on or before a specified date. For this right, a premium is paid to the seller. Currency options are one of the most common ways for corporations, individuals, or financial institutions to hedge against adverse movements in exchange rate. However, the premium charged on currency options trading contracts can be quite high. Types of options: buy and sell currency option. Buy options are known as call options, whereas sell options are known as put options. Currency options explained. When the option involves a currency purchase, it is known as put option. But when the option holder wants to sell a currency, is known as call option. There are few key components in a foreign currency option: the premium, the strike price. The premium. The premium is the price that the option buyer pays for the right to buy or sell that currency at a fixed rate on or before a specific maturity date. The strike price is the exchange rate at which the currencies will be bought or sold before that maturity date. Call and put options. Call options provide the holder the right but not the obligation to purchase an underlying asset at a specified price. The strike price for a certain period of time. If the stock fails to meet the strike price before the expiration date, the option expires and becomes worthless. Investors buy calls when they think the share price of the underlying security will rise, or sell a call if they think it will fall. Selling an option is also referred to as writing an option. Put option give the holder the right to sell an underlying asset at a specified price. The strike price. The seller or writer of the put option is obligated to buy the stock at the strike price. Put options can be exercised at any time before the option expires. Investors buy puts if they think the share price of the underlying stock will fall, or sell one if they think it will rise. The maximum profit is limited to the put premium received and is achieved when the price of the underlying is at or above the option strike price at expiration. The maximum loss is unlimited for an uncovered put writer. Spot option. An exotic option used to trade currencies includes single payment options trading known as spot contracts. Spot contracts options have a higher premium cost compared to traditional options. but they are easier to set and execute. The spot, that is single payment options trading, is a financial product that has a more flexible contract structure than the traditional options. Advantages of currency option: they are very cheap to trade, they are available on or off exchange, risk is limited to premium if you are a buyer, very high potential returns versus risk, lots of strategies to speculate on volatility and price movement. Disadvantages of currency option: they can be illiquid, quickly become worthless, risk is potentially unlimited if you are a seller. Key takeaways: currency options give investors the right but not the obligation to buy or sell a particular currency at a pre-specified exchange rate before the option expires. Currency options allow traders to hedge currency risk or to speculate on currency moves, provides protection against exchange rate fluctuations in investment portfolios, allows the holder to fix prices for import and export purposes, allows investors to take advantage of price movements in the exchange rate because they can take a view as to whether the exchange rate will strengthen or weaken. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you have any queries, please comment me in the comment section. I'll definitely reply you back soon. Thank you so much.